Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Today we're going to be making a delicious stew because the weather is getting all cold outside and I just like something nice and warm and yummy and filling. And we're going to be making a coconut black bean stew. So let's get veggie. Alright, so let's get this party started. First thing I'm going to be adding into our pan is 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. That's going to go into our pan. It's going to get nice and melted and melty in there. I'm going to be adding in our onion. As usual, the full recipe will be linked down below. I'm adding the onion. We're also adding some red bell pepper. And I'm also going to be adding in some ginger. This is fresh ginger. And I'm just mixing it all up so that everything can get, the flavors can come out and it can get nice and transparent. At this point, I always like to add a bit of salt and pepper to bring out those flavors and add a little extra oomph to like each layer, just a little pinch. You don't have to do like a ton of salt, or you don't have to do the salt at this point at all, but I would highly recommend you do the pepper. Oh, it smells so good. All right, our heat is at a medium-high heat, and I'm just doing a little well in the center so I can add our garlic. You don't want to put your garlic in first with the rest of the veggies because the other veggies take longer to cook, and the garlic is gonna cook up really fast. It's actually gonna burn, so you don't want it to burn. So I like to cook my garlic in a little well in the center for about 1 minute or until you start to smell like nice and garlic fragrance. What? Until it starts to smell like garlic, okay? We don't have to get too fancy. You know what I mean. All right, so that looks about right and it smells perfect. So I'm gonna mix that around. At this point, I'm gonna add our coriander and cumin. I'm also gonna add 2 cans of black beans, 1 cup of sweet potatoes, 2 cups of vegetable stock. We're gonna mix that around. We're also gonna add 1 cup of coconut milk. This is full fat canned coconut milk. And I'm also gonna add in some cilantro. I almost forgot to add some other spices that I was gonna add in there. So I have garlic powder, onion powder, and nutritional yeast. All right, so I'm gonna let this come up to a boil on high. Then we're gonna bring it down to a simmer, cover it up, and cook this thing for about 20 to 25 minutes. Our stew is done, and it actually looks like fall. It's so pretty. It's not really necessarily a fall kind of dish because, I mean, it does have like coconut and all the good stuff like that, but the colors, however, are very fallish. It's so good. Woo! Yes. Yes, please. What next? We just toss on a little bit of cilantro over the top. Like I said before, my cilantro is a little bit past its prime, so it's okay though. It's alright. So this is what it looks like, and what's next? What do we usually do next? Yep, that's right. It's taste test time. So I'm just mixing it up. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. I'm mixing it up with some of the, what is it called? Sweet potato, and it's going in. It's super duper hot though. All right, here we go. Please excuse the alarm going off. There's like a car alarm. I don't know. Somebody's car alarm has been going crazy all day long. But anywho, this stuff is super good. It's very creamy. And then if you guys are fans of sweet potatoes, you'll definitely love this. If you guys are not a fan of sweet potato, you might not like it as much because it is a little bit on the sweet side with the sweet potato and the little bit of sugar that we added in there. However, so good. You should give it a try even if you don't like sweet potato and see what you think. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it so other people can see how delicious vegan food can be. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.